This section is made up of 3 right-handers and a left leaving the complex. As you're coming in towards the tip into the next right-hander, which is actually driving out towards the curb, just near the curb, to give you some idea. To get this right, so you get a good drive on the right. Off the brakes, tap the throttle and drive through the quite hard on front tyres. There are several corners where it's important. Most of the circuit you'll tend to find you'll only use 2 gears.
Section 3, turns 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12.
Right then, let's see that section run again at normal pace.